Delta and then 020 right down.
And log 1.
Check.
And establish localize.
Yeah. Establish localize at 9 miles, Baltic 9801.
Baltic 901, contact Riga Tower, 118.105 is level.
8105, Baltic 9801, is level.
Okay, let's off schedule.
Baltic 9801, 8 miles, established 18.
Baltic 9801, Abri Riga Tower, wind 090 degrees, 6 knots on 18, clear land.
2500.
Baltic 9801.
2500, checked, we're clear to
That's
land.
checked, we're clear to land, exactly.
Perfect. Select landing gear down and we can do landing sequence.
Gear down selected, landing sequence, flap 3 selected.
And I'll take it manually now. So auto throttle is disconnected.
Throttle.
Cool.
And
Auto throttle.
that's the autopilot.
Checked. Flap 4 selected.
Okay.
And the before landing checklist altimeters.
1018, set and cross check.
Set and cross check 1018. Flap.
4 indicating.
And the cabin.
It's ready.
With that, that's before landing checklist complete. We are clear to land.
Yeah, check clear to land. And we actually managed to beat the crowd.
Yeah, we did.
3 aircraft behind us.
We are stabilized and clear to land.
Check and contact.
Checked.
A little bit of a crosswind on the left.
Yeah, 26, 27.
You can see them.
Wind check 100 degrees, 6 knots.
Plus 100. Minimums. $100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Lot 79 Mike, request start up. Lot 79 Mike, start approved. Start approved, Lot 79 Mike. Reground, control 188 morning, stand
Auto brake is
mission Yankee, request clearance to release.
20 knots, reverse.
Ukraine International 188, good morning,
Yeah,
ground.
the reverses you need to cancel.
5 Echo departure, squawk 4326. Destination level on route Riva 5, Echo departure, squawk 4326, ignition 8188. Select.
981, question.
Baltic 9801, taxiway, Charlie Papa, stand 18.
Charlie Papa 18, Baltic 98.